Ranch master plan community offers so much to residents. Let's see why homeowners are falling in love with this new community. Hi, I'm Amanda Ryan, your Dallas-Fort Worth real estate professional with On the Move DFW. Here's what M3 Ranch has to offer. Plan community in one of Mansfield's most desirable areas sits on nearly 900 acres and will be home to over 1,600 residents. M3 Ranch features distinctive architecture and best-in-class home builders. It offers a renowned school district, Mansfield ISD, and is rich in recreation with wide open spaces for activities. The farmhouse-inspired amenity center is the heart of the community, where you can relax, meet up with neighbors, and watch your children play. M3 Ranch also offers a resort-style pool, lush green parks, multiple ponds, and miles of hike and bike trails. You'll have a variety of the best builders in North Texas to choose from. Highland Homes, American Legend Homes, John Houston, and Perry Homes offer beautiful designs with flexible floor plans to best meet the needs of all ages and life stages. Priced from $500,000 up to $1 million. Want to take a look for yourself? Comment below or email me to talk about the next step in building your dream home.